In today's video, I'll teach you how to log in Simmons Bank credit card account. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in simmonsbank.com. Press enter. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Simmons Bank. You'll be able to find various options over here. So if you want to log into your credit card account, what you have to do is click on the login option that you can see right over here on your screen. Now after you do that, you can select the account that you want to log into. Right now online banking is selected, so simply click on it. Now what you have to do is simply find this option for credit cards and click on it. Now you can see over here credit cards has been selected. Now click on the go option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here you'll be redirected to the new tab. In the new tab you'll be led to the login interface. You can see over here you'll be able to log into your account. What you have to do is provide your username and password over here. Click on the field of username and enter the username. Now click on the field of password and enter the password. If you have forgotten your password and if you need to reset it, you can simply click on this option, reset your password. After that, you'll be able to reset it. Now after you enter the credentials, click on the sign in option that you can see on the screen and you'll be logged into your account and you'll be able to access and manage your credit cards. So that is how you log in Simmons Bank credit cards online. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.